situation that got me facing. I can't live a normal life, I was raised by the stripe. So I gotta be down with the hood team. Television watching got me chasing. Death ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life to a die.